day 3 in Jamaica. We're in Osherius right now. Going to catch some breakfast. I've been living off of spice buns for the past few days.
Have something Jamaican to eat.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, I will look for the lamb, curry lamb?
Curry gold.
Curry gold?
Curry gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll look for that. So we went to the beach in Osherius, and now we're headed to get some food. Enjoying this view. Alessandro went for a swim. Day 4 in Jamaica. We are having some breakfast now. This is... Okay, this is yam, potatoes I believe, ackee and saltfish. Ackee is the fruit, saltfish should be somewhere in here. And these are bananas. We were just at the Duns River. It was fun and nice, but I would recommend going to, and Alessandra would recommend going to, the Beach Falls in Port Antonio.
Where's the exit?
Port Antonio, the Beach Falls. It's a hideout. It's not like a tourist trap like we are in right now. It's not a resort. Nothing's built over there. Go and look for something called the local tours at the Beach Falls. Much better than the Duns River Falls. But the beach here was amazing. So enjoy the beach. And then how do we get back?
Same way, like when you get there.
Will we find taxis up there?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, we are off to the blue hole now. We went to the Mystic Mountains, but it didn't suit us, so we found a route taxi to take us up to the blue hole. Hopefully we'll find the same guy to take us back, so we'll grab his number and hope that works. Okay, we just got to the Blue Lagoon. That guy over there is gonna take us around. He's our unofficial tour guide. We have just arrived for lunch. ordered. I got shrimp, and last time I got the fish, some kind of fish. And we just got back from the Blue Hole, which I highly recommend. Forget about Dunn's River. I mean, it's nice, but put the Blue Hole on top of your priority list. It's a bit touristy in Montego Bay, but still it's great. Everyone's doing their own thing, everyone's enjoying their time. The weather, beautiful beaches, but Port Antonio is still #1.